Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to display the duplicate elements present in a list in Python. So let's get started. So currently I'm having a list over here which has both unique elements as well as duplicate elements. So our aim is to print the duplicate elements, which means that we will be getting 2, 5 and 1 as the output, which are basically the duplicates. Alright. So for this, first we will be using two empty arrays. One array will store all the unique elements without duplicate basically, and the another array will store the duplicate values. So let me just have the array unique equal to as empty, and let me have another array dup as the array that stores all the duplicate values. So for this we will be using a single for loop and a if and elif condition. So for elements in list colon, and first we will be storing the unique values. So what I meant by unique is that there won't be any duplicates in that particular list that we're going to store. So it will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 9. That's it. We won't be having any duplicate values or the second occurrence of a particular value. So it's going to be like this: if ele not in UNI, that is a particular list, we will be just appending it to the list. So it's going to be UNI dot append that particular element ELE. Alright, we're just appending that particular element. So now what you need to do is you need to just copy this, yeah, just come to the next line and be like straight to the indentation. I'm pasting it and just change to DUP wherever you have unique, yeah. So just this is going to be the duplicate list and this is going to be the duplicate list as well, and here instead of if we will be using the elif keyword. So that's it, this is done. We need to just print the list. Okay, so let me just come here and print it. After printing it, let me explain you how this is gonna work. So UNI and print duplicate, yeah, I'm saving it now. I think we need to get the duplicate values as 2, 5 and 1. So let me just now run it. I will just like, don't need this unique, right? Let me just remove that, yeah. So I need to get the output as 2, 5 and 1. So here you can see I am getting the duplicate elements now. So this is the code basically. So now let me explain you how this program is going to work. So our unique array, okay, so our unique list is going to have these values in it. So I will just come it over here, yeah. So these are going to be the values present in our unique array. So it's just going to have a single occurrence of every value in the list. So it's obvious that it's going to be really simple after this. So let's suppose say that this is going to be the unique array. So consider there is any other element. So consider there is element which is going to be 2. Okay, so that particular element in list 2 will come if element not in unique, but 2 is already present in the list. So it will go to the elif condition, and if it is not present in the duplicate, it will be getting appended. So basically this condition, this if condition will terminate for all the duplicate values, and those duplicate values will be getting stored in the duplicate list. So here we are just having checked so that there aren't like multiple duplicates stored in our duplicate list. So this is the main thing, and you need to use elif not else. So be just careful over here. This just checks if that particular value is already existing or not, because this just stores the unique values. That is the first occurrence of all the numbers. So I hope you have found this video useful. Mine is a programming channel. I've done many videos in Python, C, C++, OpenCV, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.